To you a little bit later on. Let's trade it now with Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. How are you approaching your example trade for PepsiCo ahead of this earnings report, Scott?
Yeah, there's a lot of resistance technically right above where we are right here between like kind of 142, 144 area. Market's pricing in about a $5.5, $6 move this week. So I am looking to buy a diagonal put spread. Now, when I sent this trade to you guys just a little while ago, the stock was a bit higher. But what I'm looking to do is sell this week's 135 strike put by next week's 137 strike put. I was looking to do that for about 80 cents. It's trading closer to $1 right now. And I still like that trade, though, because I really think that that resistance that we've seen there, which is pretty strong, it's both the 50 and the 200-day kind of converging right there. I think it's going to be a tough go to get through that area there.
Okay, a good look at PepsiCo ahead of that report card we'll be getting out tomorrow morning. Under pressure today. Just wondering, what are your sort of takeaways from the market? We're seeing a bit of a rebound on the headline. What are your thoughts today, Scott?
The same as they've been. I mean, this market is really a Teflon market, and it's still been really buy the dip. The trend is still higher. You know, you get asked all the time, you know, we're at a top, when's it going to stop? And, you know, I wish I had that answer, but I would say that overall volatility is still pretty cheap, even though we saw the VIX, you know, tick up a little bit. So, you know, it's still a good time, in my opinion, to buy some protection to the downside here. But, you know, heading into earnings season here, pretty optimistic expectations for the market.
Well, you guys are the closest thing we have to a crystal ball, so I really appreciate your analysis and insights and what you're seeing out there, Scott. We'll catch you a little bit later. Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy.